Welcome back to my fragrance channel. I got a dilemma. I don't know which one of these ouds I like so far. I mean, I got this one. This is the one I reviewed last time, Oud for Honor and Glory. This is like a creme brulee scent. I've been wearing this the most, but this right here, Oud for Glory, is pretty good too. So far, it's been a winner. I got the whole set. This is part 3. This one, I told you, I'm gonna be reviewing Amethyst. But Bade'e Al Oud Amethyst by Lattafa. This is like a citrus, vanilla, oud scent. They say that this is a dupe for Atomic Rose, Initio's Atomic Rose. We'll see. I have other dupes of Initio Atomic Rose. Actually, right here I have Infinity Rose. This is a pretty good dupe. This is one of my favorites. So let's see if this one holds up like the other ones do, all right? But before that, let's get into the notes. I got top notes of pink pepper and bergamot. My middle notes are Turkish rose, Bulgarian rose, and jasmine. My base notes are agarwood, amber, and vanilla. So let's see how this one holds up. Maybe it's as good as the other dupes, or it's as good as Atomic Rose. We'll see. Let's get to the unboxing. As you see, we got the nice packaging here. Lattafa in the back, information, top, back, bottom. Okay, now let's unwrap this thing. Okay, it came right off this time. You know how we do. Kobe, get it out of there. All right, now we got the box. Okay, this is like a dark purple color. Purple is like for royalty, so let's see. All right, look at that right there. Always a nice presentation, just like the other ones. This one is stuck inside like the other one. All right, nice purple bottle. Check that out. Has Lattafa on the back, Lattafa logo on the top. Presentation is nice, but like I always say, none of this matters if it doesn't smell good when you spray it. So let's put this in the air. That's 3. It's a nice smoky rose. This is pretty good. Just on the first spray, I can say this is good. Now let's put it on my skin. Let's see what's the big deal about this one, all right? So we're gonna spray it right here. We wave it out, we let it dry. Definitely nice. They said that this is Atomic Rose, but this reminds me of After Effect. Or Initio side effect. It just, I don't know why. I like it though. It's sweet, dark. I'm not gonna say that it's better than this one, Oud for Honor and Glory. Yet, I gotta wear it, but this is solid as well. This is pretty good. All these bottles are about $25 the most. No more than $30 you should be spending on this, all right? Due to the oud in this one, I would only do this in the winter and the fall, cool weather, okay? I'm up here in New York City. It's still a little cool, unfortunately. So I can pull this off for like maybe a couple weeks more. So I'm gonna be trying this out and see how this works on my body, but definitely stay in the cool weather with this, all right? I think this one is pretty versatile. I think you could wear this on a date night. Maybe I might wear it to work, depending on the work setting. But this is something nice you could wear. You could switch it up with this. I like that rose scent. It makes it very approachable. I don't think this is signature scent worthy, in my opinion. I don't think this is like a blind buy. This is not going to be everybody's cup of tea, to be honest. But it's good to me. I like it. Thank you for watching my fragrance channel where I review luxury scents as well as affordable scents. I got a little something for everybody over here, all right? Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, follow, share, all right? For my next video, I'm going to be reviewing Bade'e Al Oud Noble Blush, all right? This one, just off of the pink alone, it feels like this is for the ladies, but we're going to check it out and see, what's in the bottle, all right? So stick around. Click on the next video.